Alright guys, how are we doing? So when people ask me about my training and what we kind of get out to day, some people are quite surprised when I say that we split our time 50-50 between the dry land and the pool, because I think they just expect that we spend all of our time just doing dives over and over again, but the dry land side of it is actually very important. Within that we kind of do some gymnastics work, we do work to replicate what actually goes on in the pool on the trampolines or on the dry boards. A very important part of it is the weight sessions that we do. We do weights for a few different reasons, one of those being just to get generally stronger. Especially for springboard divers, we've got to be strong to be able to push the board down to hopefully gain more height for when we do our dives. And if you're not strong, then you're going to be struggling to actually make your dives unless you're ridiculous at spinning very fast. Another reason is to help prevent or reduce the chances of getting injured. Another part of our weights is working on power so that we can be fast in those movements, so not just being able to push the board down far, but being able to do it quickly and then react quickly out of the board, which will help us do our dives properly. Believe it or not, a few years ago I hated doing weights. I couldn't stand it because I was kind of worried about changing my body even more. I grew very rapidly throughout a period of time in 2009, 2010, and my body changed a lot, and I had to spend a lot of time to get used to that when I was doing my actual dives in the pool. And the thought of doing weights and changing my body even more and then having to get used to that as well, that kind of made me a bit nervous about starting doing weights, so I kind of didn't want to do it for a long time, but then I slowly got into it, and I got used to it, got used to the changes, and even got used to the soreness that you experience when you do weights. So after a while I did see the benefits, and now for sure I do. Time to get strong.
My #1 website, let's go.
I'm still at that.
Ridiculous in the club, looking so conspicuous. Wow.
You can have two thirds.
No.
To be fair,
Why not?
if you're pulling,
I don't need it, sir.
if you're pulling
Can you?
4 or 5
Yeah.
twos, then
Let's start to like give him
Adds
a
up to
birthday
10, doesn't it?
suite.